I have a secret. You can be comfortable and look cute. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Srinavi, and I believe you shouldn't have to change your body to fit your clothing. You can change your clothing to fit you. Today, I'm taking out my laziest outfit, just a men's t-shirt and sweats. I'm gonna make it fit for a woman's shape. That's all. Time to measure your sleeve. So first take a look at how much you want to shorten it. Mine is pretty long, so I took off 2 inches. Then pinch the side against your arm and see how much you want to tighten it. For me, I took about 1 inch. Turn your shirt on inside out and find the point where you'd like your new shoulder seam to go, so resting right on your shoulder. Then draw a straight line from that point to your armpit. Do it on both sides. Now take your shirt off and lay it down on a clean surface. Cut off the sleeves as shown and open them up. Whatever you measured for shortening your sleeve, cut that length off the arc. Then, what you measured for tightening the sleeve, cut that off the sides. Now, you're just going to redraw the curve to be an S, so it's a bit longer. And just trace this right onto your other sleeve. Now cut off that excess shoulder fabric that you marked in chalk and place those new sleeves right up against them. Draw a chalked line from the armpit to the bottom of the shirt. I also took off length on the bottom, which you don't have to do. Time to pin everything in place. So as you see, the shirt is inside out, so I'm pinching the wrong sides together and pinning all around the sleeve, including that little bottom armpit portion. Don't forget that one, okay? Do this on all sides of the sleeve and also down the side seams. Sew it in place and you're all done. So for those of you who are like, I still don't believe that fit is so important, this proves you wrong. Even a sweatshirt and a free t-shirt look good when they fit you well. In the comments below, tell me, am I the only one who feels like I have to choose between comfort and looking good? Let's start a conversation. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you want more do-it-yourself fashion and tips, and I will see you next time. Bye!